Hi everyone! Today I'll be showing you how you can make a beautiful macrame knit pattern. Let's get started. Attach one cord to your dowel rod with a lark's head knot and then just gently loosen that knot so you have a gap here below for us to insert our second cord underneath. So just take the end of that second rope right through the lark's head knot and pull it until it's even on both sides. Then just take your other cord and pull it tight to secure that lark's head knot and lock everything into place. Now the knot we will be tying for this project is the reverse endless falls knot. So I'm going to take the cords on the far left and right and send them behind the two cords in the middle. Then I like to form a loop by crossing the left cord over the right. I pinch it right here in the middle where everything kind of crosses, so I see two well-defined loops. I'm going to take the middle right cord behind, twist it around to go through that right loop. Then I do the same on the left, so I send it behind the cords, up and around to go through the left loop. Then I'm just going to tug on those outer cords to tighten up the knot, and I can also pull on the centers as well to smooth everything out. Just like that. Now we're going to work on the alternating portion by moving down a row. I'm going to skip the two cords here on the far left and take my next four cords. So the same cords are the ones that always cross over each other to form the loop. So they're coming behind those middle cords. I cross the left over the right and then pinch it where everything crosses. So I see two loops. Middle right goes behind, around, and over. Then the left side goes behind, around, and over. Pull it tight. Then I move on to the next four ropes and repeat. Now I'm going to move down a row and I'm going to repeat the same steps. So now I'm taking all four cords to the left. Those same cords go behind to form the loops, and I just repeat the same process once again. And this is the cool design that will start to form as you tie those rows. So now I move on to the fourth row, once again skipping the two on the left so I only make two of these knots. And there we go. This is how you can make a really cool macrame knit style pattern. And before we go, I just want to let you all know that I recently released my new macrame guides. There's a lot of great information within these guides all about macrame, so please check those out in the link in the description below if you would like to learn more. So I hope you guys found this video helpful and inspiring, and thank you so much for watching.